This is the NiMH charger that's included in the box, and it's got a Dean's connector. And this is the NiMH battery, which also comes with a Dean's connector on it. And here's the manual. It's got a wrench and Allen wrench. And as you can see, this is the actual car itself. It's got a nice blue and black color to it, and it's a 110 scale model. So it has 4 body clips to hold the body. One of the highlights about this car is it's got a Team Orion's D-Drive 1-piece ESC and brushless motor. So as you can see, it's got the power connector and the on-off switch directly connected to the motor. It's a 4-wheel drive vehicle, you can see. And it's also got full aluminum shocks. They're all adjustable. The tires are also pretty good. They offer really high traction. It also has a high torque waterproof servo, and the vehicle also supports a 2S lipo battery as well.